So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here 10 questions to answer on the topic atomic structure and bonding. So guys, specifically in this video, we are going to consider the concept of atoms, molecules, and ions. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Also, if at any point you feel you want to answer any question here in this video, you can always pause this video and try out the question to see if you can get the answer even before we provide the answer hereafter. So guys, let's start with the first question here. It says, which of the following elements is not an allotrope? A, phosphorus, B, sulfur, C, carbon, D, neon. So guys, the only element here that is not an allotrope is neon. Carbon, phosphorus, and sulfur have allotropes. For instance, carbon has allotropes like diamond, graphite, and so on. But guys, neon is actually a noble gas and does not form allotropes. So that's the answer to this question. So let's consider the next question, and that's question number 2. It says, Millikan's contribution to the development of atomic theory is the determination of A, charge on electron, B, cathode rays, C, positive rays, D, charge to mass ratio. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's charge on electron. Millikan's contribution to the development of atomic theory is the determination of charge in electron. So let's consider the next question. Question number 3. It says, which of the following gases is a noble gas? A, argon, B, oxygen, C, carbon dioxide, D, nitrogen. So guys, noble gases are the group 8 elements, and they actually fill up the orbitals in their outermost shell. So the only example of a noble gas here out of the options given to us here is option A, and that's argon. So guys, argon is a noble gas, and that's the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys, and that's question number 4. It says, the distance between the nuclei of chlorine atoms in a chlorine molecule is 0.194 millimeters. The atomic radius of chlorine atom is A, 0.194 millimeters, B, 0.388 millimeters, C, 0.097 millimeters, D, 2.388 millimeters. So guys, let's go ahead and solve out for this. Let's use our calculator here. So guys, we're going to write down here the distance is equal to 2 times the radius. So guys, the radius of the chlorine atom here is going to be the distance over 2. So the radius here will be 0.194 over 2. So let's go ahead and check out these on our calculator. 0.194 over 2, and that's 0.097. So guys, R here, or the radius, is 0.097. And guys, that's option C here. That's the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and wipe this, and then let's consider the next question. So guys, the next question here is question number 5. It says, a phenomenon where an element exists in different forms in the same physical state is known as A, allotropy, B, isomerism, C, amorphism, D, isotopy. So guys, the answer to this question is allotropy. Allotropy is the property of some chemical elements to exist in two or more different forms in the same physical state. So allotropy is the answer to this question. That's option A. So guys, let's go ahead and look at the next question. And that's question number 6. It says, why are noble gases unreactive? This is because A, they are non-metals, B, they are higher occupied energy, C, the atomicity of their molecules, D, their outermost shells are partially filled. So guys, noble gases have all their shells occupied, and as such, that's the reason for their not being reactive. So guys, option B here will be the answer to this question, and that's their higher occupied energy. So let's consider the next question. Question number 7. It says, the component of an atom that contributes least to its mass is the A, proton, B, neutron, C, nucleus, D, electron. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's electron. Electron has the least contribution to the mass of an atom. Actually, the mass of an electron is about 1 over 1840 that of a proton, and that's way too small to be compared to that of a proton. So guys, the mass of electron is way too small, and that's the component of an atom that least contributes to its mass. So let's consider the next question. Question number 8. It says, which of the following letters in pairs denotes elements containing the same number of electrons in the outermost shells? A, E and F, B, A and B, C, C and D, D, B and G. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's B and G. The elements B and G have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell because they exist in the same group, and that's group 8, guys. So that's the answer to this question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 9. It says, what is the correct IUPAC name for NO2? Option A, deoxynitrate 4 ion, B, trioxynitrate 4 ion, C, deoxynitrate 3 ion, and D, trioxynitrate 3 ion. So guys, let's go ahead and check out this together. We're going to zoom into our workspace. So we have NO2. Actually, this is an ion. So guys, if we are to name this, already we have 2 atoms of this oxygen here, and that's dioxo. That's 2 oxygen, di being 2 and oxo being for the oxygen. So guys, having stated this here, we are going to find the oxidation state of nitrogen here to actually be able to name this compound. So guys, in that case, the oxidation state or the oxidation number of nitrogen plus 2 times that of oxygen, and guys, that of oxygen here is -2. Oxygen is -2. Oxygen has a valency of -2. So guys, we are going to add 1 because of the presence of this negative sign here. So +1 is equal to 0. Or another way we can go about this is, instead of equating this to 0, we'll go ahead and just write for this and equate it to -1. So just write this and then equate it to -1. So if we do this, guys, we are equating to -1 because of this negative value here. So guys, if there was no charge, everything would have been equated to 0. So if we have this, we are going to next thing we're going to do is to collect the like terms. So but then we're going to multiply out this. So this will give us n minus 4 is equal to -1. So guys, if we collect the like terms here, n is going to be 4 going over to this one will be a positive 4, and that will be -1 and a positive 4. So guys, n is going to be 3 here. So that's the oxidation state of this nitrogen with this. So this will be dioxo nitrate 3 ion. So guys, that's the answer to this question, and that's option C here. So let's go ahead and wipe this off, and then let's go ahead and check the next question. And that's the last question, guys. Here the question is question number 10. Here it says 2 elements P and Q with atomic numbers 11 and 8 respectively combine chemically to form the compound PXQY. The respective values of X and Y are, so guys, let's go ahead and zoom in right into our workspace here and then try to solve this together again. So we have P to have 11 atomic number, the atomic number of P to be 11 rather. So we have the atomic number of Q to be 8. So if the atomic number of P is 11, it means that it will have a valence of +1, so guys, if the atomic number of Q is 8, it means it will have a valence of -2 or -2 in this case. So guys, if you're wondering how we got to know this valence here, an element that has 11 as the atomic number will be such that you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this means there is 1 electron in the outermost shell, so which means it can lose 1 electron to ionize. So an element that can lose 1 electron to ionize is going to have a +1 in the ionized state. So let's go ahead and check out this for the Q. So for Q, we said Q will have a -2, and that's because of the fact that if we check out the shell, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see that we have remaining 2 to fill this outermost shell. That's why we have a -2, because it will have to gain electrons to ionize. So an element that ionized by electron gain is a non-metal, and it will have a negative valence here. So that's why you have this as +1 and we have this as -2 or -2. So guys, having this in this manner, P will combine with Q in such a manner that Q will have the subscript of this, and then P will have the subscript of this. So guys, that's a very easy way to go about this. They will have to combine in a ratio where they'll have to exchange values. So that's just simply an easy way to go about this. So with P will have 2 here and Q will have 1. So Guys, if we have px and qy, it means that x will be 2 and y will be 1. So guys, that's option B here, and that's 2 and 1. So let's go ahead and wipe this. So guys, this is where we end the class for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. Also guys, you can help us by sharing this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more audience. And guys, we also encourage you to join our channel membership in order to be getting premium updates on information relating to JAMB. So guys, this will help you a lot in your preparation for your JAMB, and we hope to see you become a member in our channel community. Thank you for watching this video guys, and see you in the next one.